Hello guys, this is Bernie from Crabtek, and today I will show you one of our products, which is the Aroma Humidifier, which actually moisturizes and refreshes the air that we breathe. It also changes the atmosphere by changing the LED light color according to your perspective. And today I will show you how can we operate this product through our Crabtek home application. Let's start. So here's the Aroma Humidifier by Crabtek, and i-unbox muna natin siya. And this box comes with this Crabtek home app instruction manual so that you can have a guide para i-connect yung inyong humidifier sa inyong Crabtek application. And meron tayo ditong welcoming letter from Crabtek and the Aroma Humidifier user manual. So, tignan natin yung mismong product. So, ito na yung mismong product natin. And as you can see, of course, meron siyang top cover. Ayan siya. And sa loob, makikita natin yung kanyang adapter. Tingnan natin yung adapter niya. So, ito yung kanyang adapter. And ito yung kanyang loob. Wherein you can fill up to 300 ml. And sa baba naman, may kita natin yung kanyang indicator. Ayan. So, meron siyang Wi-Fi, the timer, and the on and off indicator. Now, yung kanyang saksakan naman is nasa baba. Ito siya. Ayan. So now, let's try. So now, maglalagay muna ako ng water. Meron naman siyang indicator sa loob kung hanggang saan nyo lang siya pwedeng ilagay. So, lagay muna tayo ng water dito. And isaksak muna natin siya. Before we start, of course, we have to make sure na meron muna tayong Crabtek home application sa ating phone. Makikita nyo siya doon sa Crabtek home app instruction manual. Meron kayong i-scan. Ayan. And then, automatically, you will be routed to the page wherein you can download the application. Or you can just simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store to download Crabtek Home application. So here's the Crabtek Home application. Okay. And then for you to be able to add the device, make sure na nagbe-blink muna yung Wi-Fi indicator here. And then let's add the device. So may plus sign dito sa upper right. And then kindly go to Home Appliances. And then tap on Aroma Humidifier. So nakalagay dito, confirm indicator, rapidly blink. So since nagbe-blink na siya dito, ay okay natin siya, and then hit next. And then connect to your Wi-Fi, hit next. And let us just wait for the device to connect to your smartphone. Alright, so once you're connected, just tap on Done here. Now, sa inyong Crabtek Home app, may kita nyo yung power button here to turn it off and on. Ayan. So, we were able now to turn it on. Now, meron din tayong way to change the color. Ayan. So, click nyo lang to, selection mode, cycle mode, and makakapag-select na kayo ng any color that you would like. Perfect to para sa mga mommies natin, sa mga workers natin na gusto mag-relax after a long, tiring day. Ayan, meron tayong fresh air, and of course, nakaka-relax na lighting din. Ayan, so meron din siyang timer. So, mag-a-add ka lang dyan kung anong oras mo siya gustong matapos, kung gusto mo ba siya i-repeat every day, kung gusto nyo may notification. So, makikita nyo yan lahat sa application. Very, very easy to operate. It can also be controlled through Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. This aroma humidifier comes with one free scent from Crabtek. And any aroma scent is okay. You can actually use that here on our product. You can purchase this aroma humidifier by Crabtek by clicking on the description below. And please follow our Facebook page and subscribe on our YouTube channel for more videos and updates about our products. Thank you so much. Again, this is your Crabtek girl, Bernie. Have a great day.